Good afternoon, everybody. I wanted to do a little fresh startup on my 41 Chevy. That's obviously the 51. So I thought I'd give everybody a start from uncovering to, well, get this off over them. Everything seems to be hung up today. Trying to just leave it half uncovered, but I maybe could give everybody a little bit of a look. I think most people have seen it. So I'll scale this down a little bit. It's my 41 Chevy 350. It's about 1,400 miles on the build. Speedway, balanced blueprinted motor. I told everybody that, I think, but there it is. Pretty straight old truck. It's a real nice truck. I'm not bragging because it's mine. It's just a nice truck. So we'll leave the tarp switch on. And I haven't had this thing started a couple, 3 weeks, I guess. It's not fuel injected. Anyway, we'll see. Yeah. There we go. This truck's equipped with GPS. Kind of give you a look inside. I was going to pull it out and do a video for everybody, but I can get it outside. I have to move stuff, so I just did a video here and hopefully people can see, but I didn't start the 51. Bucket seats, console in here, a little bit different. I know you guys kind of give me your opinion. Leave it or do a little more to the interior. Everything else is real nice. I just kind of want to upgrade it, I guess. If y'all could, I appreciate your input. Obviously no smart remarks, just something to help me out. Little American flag deal on it. Anyway, everybody, of course you guys seen this. This is the hobby. I'm going to kind of display it in back of the trucks. Appreciate it, everybody. Thanks for looking. I appreciate you if you'll subscribe, like, do whatever they ask you to do on the other channels. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.